Hi, good evening. I'm creating these videos for my students. Today I'm going to discuss about area plan in Revit. Okay, let's continue with the video. I'm going to use this model to create area plan. If you want to create area plan, you should go to Architecture tab, and then in the right side above room and area you can see area. If you click here, and you will find area plan tool. I'm going to click this here, and here you can see Revit is showing a window to select the type of area plan. So I'm seeing three area types here. This is actually three area plan types. I can create rentable area plan or gross building area plan. Otherwise I can take GIA area plan type. Okay, for now I'm taking rentable area plan type, and here below you can see you have all the levels available to generate area plan. You can select any one or you can select all the levels, and in the bottom you can see if you check this, do not duplicate existing views. So that means that these plans are already available and we don't want to duplicate the same. So that means it is going to regenerate. Okay. Now I'm going to give OK. And Revit is asking my permission. Automatically create boundary lines associated with all external walls. Yes, I'm going to say yes. And it is asking again. Third time. Fourth time, because I'm creating for 4 levels at a time. Okay, so now you can see this is your area plan. For now I don't want these elevations, I'm going to hide them now. Okay, this is your area plan, and in the project browser you can see there is a family type called area plan added here, and if I extend here I can see all the levels. If I go to first floor, I can see the area plan. Wherever the windows are taken, it is taking the middle, and wherever the wall is there, it is taking the internal face of the wall. Oh, this is how they generate area plan. Okay. In case if you want to exclude any area here, then you can modify this boundary. Otherwise you can exclude by drawing a divider line. For example, I'm going to add area boundary. So here if I go to Architecture tab, and here you can see area boundary. If I select here, and I can draw the area boundary. For example, I'm drawing a small space here. I'm going to exclude this area. Okay, I'm going to exclude this area. Now we have the boundary. Let's add the area tag. So to add area tag, you should add the area itself. So I think by default it should have the area. Let me try again. If I go to area again, I have the area tool, and if I'm placing it here, you can see I can place it inside this rectangle. Otherwise I can place it here. So any one place I should choose. Okay, so here you can see this tag calculating in the area excluding this area boundary. Okay, if you want to modify this tag, you can do that. Okay, let me show that later on. Now you know how to generate area plan and how to add area. Let's go to the next tool. Now you know how to add area boundary. Area boundary is very easy. Take the area boundary tool and draw a line, and that's going to separate the area. For example, I'm doing it here. So you can see here this area, now this is covering till here only, so this is a separate area. I can take the area tool and I can just place it here. Once you are defining the area, you can actually define some more parameters here. For example, I'm selecting the area here. In the instance parameter, I can define the area type. I can define the area type. Here you can see it is showing office area, exterior area, floor area, major vertical penetration, or you can add store area. Okay, in case if you want to add any more types, then you have to generate a new parameter to assign with the area. Okay, now I'm going to show you, in case if you lost or if you deleted this area tag. So here I deleted the tag only, the area element is still there. Okay, if you want to re-tag here, go to tag area, the tool here, and you can just place it here. To place the tag, you need the area. Okay, so you have to place the area first and then you can add a tag. For example, I'm going to delete the area itself. Now I'm going to delete the area. There is no area defined for this space. Okay, if I'm taking the tag here, you can see this is showing the available area only. I can place here, but I can't place this here. I'm trying now. See here, I cannot place, but I can place here. Okay, so to define area, you should add area. Go to this tool, take area and define area. I'm defining the area. Okay, so now you can add a tag. You can add multiple tags for the same place. Let's not double count. Let's delete this tag. Okay, so now this is fine. And we have another tool. It's a common tool, tag all not tagged, and this is going to open this dialog box. I think you know this tool already. Okay, I'm not going to explain this now. Maybe if you don't know about tag all not tagged, then please leave it in the comments section, then I will make another video for this tool. Okay, so let's close this here. So here I want to add one more point. These wall lines, they are defined, but you can always delete them and you can add new area boundary. For example, I'm going to calculate the entire wall in the center. I can do that. Okay, you can delete, you can remove these lines and you can add new lines. No problem. You can add new lines. Okay, so this is how you can work with boundary lines. I want to add one more here. If you want to make a color scheme for this area, you can go to annotate and then go for color scheme and add it here, and this will ask for space type and color scheme. You can give OK, and you can see now the area plan is so colorful now. If you want a different color, then you should define area type. Give different type so that it will show different color. If you want to edit the color scheme, select and go to edit scheme, so you can make the changes here. In case if you want to make a schedule for this area, then go to view, make schedules, and take schedules and quantity and take area. You have to select the right area type and then give OK, and select the parameters you need and give OK. And here you have. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.